just chooching. She's chooching. God damn.
If I wanna go with Joe, I said, fuck your Honda Civic, I have a horse outside. Fuck you, Subaru,
Yep. At it again. Fuck. Look at all that dust coming out of the garage. Fuck. Hellbound. Alright, pause it. I'll finish listening to that later. For the music Nazis get to me. Oh shit, you guys. God damn. Let's see what we got going on under here. Well, as you can see, I got the tank out of it. And I'm starting to clean up all the rust underneath here. Still got lots of work. IOC is kicking in. Gotta say, I'm glad I got that new grinder, because well, this is what I had, and this is what I got now. Before, after. So it works pretty slick, pretty quick. But yeah, holy shit. Ugh. Been at this for a couple hours now since I got that tank dropped. Now I gotta, you can see the I dropped the exhaust on the right side. Now I gotta drop the shit on the left side too, so I can get up in places where I need to go. There's just some stuff I can't clean up, and I got a quart of pour 15 I'm gonna do up. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna get those fuel lines out, because they mount right here. Right here, there's a mounting bracket. Well, you can see it. And then that screw head right there. That's another mounting bracket for it. And then you go up and around and down, and yeah. Haven't quite figured that one out yet, but I think I'll get her. Yeah, I gotta get all this cleaned up. Really need to get that exhaust dropped. And then of course, this nut, this bolt for the shock, stripped out, so now I gotta cut that bolt head out. I don't have any oxygen for my oxygen sealing torch, so grinder she is. Cut it out. Yeah, this amazingly cleans up really quick with that grinder I got. Holy shnikes. And here's it's all full of dust and shit, but here's a spot I did, test spot with the paint that I'm going to be using on the floors here. After I wire wheel it, comes up pretty good. So I like that grinder I got. It strips fast, but it doesn't take metal. It just takes the rust off and whatever else is hanging around. So, oh, all right. Oh, I got some more parts. Hang on. I got my calipers back. Totally rebuilt. All brand new stuff. All new guts. It's the original calipers of the car. It's just got all new parts in it. I ain't gonna take them out of the bag because all they're gonna do is get dirty. And then my master cylinder. It's the original to the car. Totally rebuilt, cleaned up. It's not the lid I'm gonna use in the master cylinder, but Yeah. Just to keep dirt out of it for now. There's the other caliper. That is the place I got them. Redone. Northeast Minneapolis. But anyways, I'm gonna work my way from the back to the front. Get the brake lines and fuel lines pulled out of it. Get the rest of this cleaned up. And then it's painty, primey painty. Yeah. Some of the places I can't clean up as well as I'd like to do. I got a quart of this. Hopefully it's enough. We'll find out. But anyways, oh yeah. Put these dudes in my dip tank. They're ready for paint. Got new bushings in them. I gotta do a little more cleanup on this one before it's ready to go, but. And then I had to order a new control arm. Ugh. You know, camera, you're being a real prick. As you can see, it's all notched out here. And they come from the factory. Come on, dude. Come from the factory with this piece on there. And it's burned through the first layer. And it's into that patch, so yeah, it's getting. I got a new one coming, brand new. I ain't gonna bother with it. As you can see, it's pretty chewed up. Yeah. Anyways, figured do a little update. Maybe tomorrow I'll set up one of my cameras I don't really care about and grind away down there. Alright guys, later.